Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install OpenSSL on Windows, step by step. OpenSSL is an essential tool for working with SSL certificates, and if you're a developer or IT professional, you're definitely going to need it. Let's get started. First, let's head over to our browser and search for OpenSSL Windows. But don't click on the first link you see. It doesn't provide the installer for Windows. Instead, scroll down and look for the second or third link, which should take you to the official wiki page at wiki.OpenSSL.org. Let's click on the wiki link. Then click on OpenSSL for Windows link. Now that we're on the wiki page, you'll see a list of available downloads. Scroll down until you find the section for Windows installers. I'm going to download the 64-bit version for Windows. Click on the download link, and then save the installer to your computer. Now, let's start the installation process. Double-click the installer you've downloaded to begin. In the Setup window, we need to accept the agreement, so click Next. Then, it will ask where you want to install OpenSSL. You can leave the default location as is or change it if you prefer. Click Next again. Here, we can accept the default settings by clicking Next one more time. Now, let's click on Install. Once the installation finishes, make sure to uncheck these boxes and click Finish. Next, we need to make sure Windows recognizes OpenSSL as a command. To do that, we'll add OpenSSL to the system environment variables. Now let's go to the folder where OpenSSL was installed. For me, it's in Program Files under the OpenSSL folder. From here, open the bin folder, and this is the folder that contains the OpenSSL application. Copy the folder path. Now, let's add this path to the system environment variables. Right-click on this PC, and go to Properties. On the left-hand side, click on Advanced System Settings. In the System Properties window, click on Environment Variables. Now, find the path variable under System Variables and click Edit. At the beginning of the list, paste the path you copied earlier. Once you've done that, click OK 3 times to save and close all the windows. Now let's open the command prompt again to verify if OpenSSL is installed correctly. Type the following command, OpenSSL version. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the version of OpenSSL installed. As you can see, OpenSSL is recognized, and I've got the latest version running. And there you have it. OpenSSL is now installed and ready to use on your Windows machine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. And I will see you in the next video.